Vusimuzi Matlala is facing charges of attempted murder, conspiracy to commit murder, and money laundering. During his bail application, the state argued that he is the mastermind behind the attempted hit on his former partner, Tebogo Thobejane.
It will be argued, Your Worship, that there is, yes, circumstantial evidence, and only circumstantial evidence against the applicant. But it is there and it cannot be ignored. We sit with monies that's been transferred around critical times into the accounts of the gunman, coming from the applicant. We sit with a very, very suspicious receipt that was issued by a funeral parlor, completely out of sequence in his receipt book. We sit with conversations between the gunman referring to a person by the name of Cat.
The car Thobejane was traveling in was shot at in Sandton by unknown hitmen.
Ms. Thobejane had fled the country out of fear for her life. And she communicated with the investigating team, Sergeant Mbele, last night, indicating that she still fears for her life. That's why she will not return to South Africa. So her life, in a sense, has also changed forever after the shooting incident.
According to the state, Matlala traveled from South Africa to Eswatini 3 times. It alleges he owns a falsified identity card from the same country. His Department of Home Affairs papers also record him as still being outside South Africa.
I am confident that this Honourable Court will have regard to the tactics employed in this matter and see through these tactics. 31. I have never applied for any Eswatini identity and deny ever having possessed or used any such document. 32. I still do not comprehend why I would require an Eswatini identity, a country where I can enter with my South African passport with no visa as SABC citizen. Additionally, it is common cause that I entered and left Eswatini with my South African passport.
Matlala's defense argued that he has no motive to attempt to kill his former partner.
Ms. Thobejane, as a social media personality, seems to have made a lot of enemies. My relationship with her ended some 3 years before her shooting. I cannot understand how I could be accused of gender-based violence when I'm no longer in a relationship with her.
Matlala has asked the court to consider house arrest as part of its bail conditions. Judgment has been reserved to next week. Neria Shakota, SABC News, Alexandra, Johannesburg.